Let's come to the point. Can guppies live with betas in the same tank? So the answer is yes, but only if the beta fish is less aggressive, like the half moon, delta or female betas. Many fish keepers have succeeded in keeping a beta fish with guppies in a community tank. The temperature and pH requirements of both guppies and betas are almost similar. So you can think of keeping them together and observe. But if something goes wrong, then just immediately separate them. Here are the 5 things you need to consider. First, beta fish behavior with your guppies. Guppies, especially the males, have bright colored fins which might trigger the beta fish to attack. But if you have less aggressive beta fish like the half moon beta and delta beta, then there's no so much issue. The beta fish in our home fish tank, as you can see in this video, is a half moon beta, and after I got him, I realized how calm, gentle and cute he is. Anyways, also remember that while male betas are aggressive, but female betas are calm comparatively. Second, tank size. Tank size is important to consider, especially because you are going to keep a fish that is well known for being territorial and aggressive. So larger the tank, better it will be for both guppies and the betas. Third, size of the beta fish and the guppies. Size also matters apart from other factors. If you have very small size guppies, then the beta may get tempted to think of them as their food. So make sure that you put the guppy fries only after they are big enough and they are compatible with your betas. Fourth point, hiding places. Hiding places are necessary not just for providing your fish places to relax, but also to hide in case attacked by other fish. You can have a planted aquarium, and in that you can try out this combination. In case your guppies are chased by the beta, then they can just hide away. Fifth point, personality of the beta fish. The personality of a beta fish is the biggest and perhaps the most important factor to consider while keeping the guppies and betas together. And one thing to note that fish do have personalities just like we humans have. According to Science Daily, fish do have surprising complex personalities. A research was done on a group of guppies and it was found that each fish reacted differently to cope with the stressful situation. Now let's discuss the biggest question. Will beta kill guppies? And the answer is yes, beta can even kill guppies if they get intimidated. Mostly all betas are aggressive and territorial. So any fish that imposes a threat will be attacked by them. Guppies, especially males, have colorful fins that may look like male beta fish and trigger the killer instincts of beta. So the bottom line is, knowing the aggressive nature of beta fish doesn't mean it will react in the same way always. It also depends on the particular beta fish on how it reacts with the tank mates and the surrounding. By the way, if you found this video helpful, then why not like this video and subscribe to this channel, because that supports me to bring more helpful and valuable content for you. Thanks.